All right, for the first time to be shown to everybody, the home of Randolph-Macon field hockey. Ladies, would you do the honor, please?
Nunnally Field has been slightly relocated and the entire west side of the tracks has been completely redone. The renovation of Nunnally Field is incredibly important to not only the field hockey team, but the entire athletics department as a whole. It not only alleviates some scheduling conflicts, which many Division III institutions have due to the high demands that student athletes have in the classroom and on the field, but it also separates us from a lot of our competitors. We have 2 turf facilities, and we have one that's now specifically dedicated to field hockey. And overall, I think it's just really a great moment for many people that came before us, the alums that have worked so hard, the parents, the family, and of course, we can't go a day without thanking the RMC administration for everything that they've done in order to make this happen. We know that this is an incredible day for the entire department, and we're really happy to celebrate it.